back to my channel. Tia, I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, I don't even understand what you're doing with your life. Just subscribe, okay? This beautiful wig is a Janet Collection wig. It's a lace parting wig, and it's Miss Doris, and I have her in chocolate brown, and she's gorgeous. I love her. You know how I feel about a lace parting wig, but she is beautiful. The curls are beautiful. Today's going to be one of my wig reviews, but it's also going to be a dyeing tutorial. So I dyed this wig, and after I review and everything, then all the clips of what I did to dye her will be at the end. This is Miss Chelsea, and she is also from Janet Collection. She's part of their Princess Lace wig line. I originally got her in the color 613. She's a 4x4, so you can kind of part her to be wherever you want. What I have found with these wigs, though, is that you do have to sort of decide where you want and then put heat and sort of set it down. She comes in some colors. She doesn't come in a ton of natural colors. She comes in the sugar brown and like a 1 and 1B, but she doesn't come in a ton of colors. And it says she's heat safe, but they're pulling a Bobby Boss on us and won't tell us exactly what it's heat safe to, which is not really like Janet Collection, but who knows. And I got her from Elevate Styles for $19.95. So let's get her. So this is Miss Chelsea. She's gonna look slightly crazy. See, I put a little bit more of the warm tone situation, like I did the grays because I like it, but it is like ombre into more of a warm color. She's looking crazy because I've obviously washed her, because I dyed her and then you have to wash her, but you can kind of see it's gray, but it has sort of a warm mix into it. She does have crazy baby hairs. You know how I feel about baby's hairs. There's that 4x4 parting. She does have 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. She's definitely yaki texture, so let's get her on. Alright, look at that. Ooh, look at the color. She's about 22 inches long. Yeah, I like it. Let me get this chick together and then I'll see what I think of the wig itself. And very thick. I didn't take as long as I thought it would. This is a very thick wig and she is going to tangle, but I do feel like if you stay on her, because she is that yaki texture, that you can manage it. She's got those like gorgeous layers so that you can cut this wig very easily. This is a thick wig. This is a winter wig. This is not a summer wig. I was actually gonna wear it tonight, but I'm like sweating just standing here. There is some shedding. That could be for 2 reasons. I do find that 613 wigs do shed a little bit more than other colors. I'm not positive why that is. But I also find that depending on how many processes I did on this wig, I probably did at least 2. I don't think I toned her because I do see some of that yellow in there still, which I love. So I just think I dyed her twice, but I do feel like sometimes that can cause the wig to shed if you dye it too many times. I've never had that happen if I just dyed a wig in one process, but when I go back in and dye it, then that can be problematic. You can really see like there's variation in there with the dyeing that I did. So much dimension, which I love. This is all the hair to the front, so she's thick and long. I absolutely love this wig. I think she'd look great in that sugar brown color for sure. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, she's tangling a little bit. I would probably go through and brush her on a wig head so I could catch all that. But she's very, very, very long. She's almost to my butt. She's 24 inches long. Yeah. But I really love this wig. What do you think? Do you like her? Do you like the dyeing technique that I did? Is there any other wig from the Janet collection that you would like to see me review? If so, put that down below. If you'd like to see Chelsea in another color, like potentially I could just get her in a regular color and then we could compare, because I know that not everybody likes this like ashy blonde gray hair. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned for the clips on how I dyed this, and bye! Okay, I took Miss Chelsea out of the package. This is her with the lace attached. This is the color she came in. I took the boiling water and I added the RIT dye in a rose quartz. This is not the RIT dye synthetic version, and so I don't suggest actually using this for wigs because it doesn't work that well. I left her in this for about 15 minutes, and what it really did was allow me to have that warmth that you see on the ends. And I took her out, put her in this little tub, and then I added some RIT dye, more synthetic dye, in a charcoal gray color, and then I put her in, just kept dunking her and dunking her until it was saturated. This is a very thick wig, so it did take some dunks to get her fully saturated and submersed. It's important that you make sure that wig is very submersed, because if not, it will be an uneven dye. So I put her in this bin, and then this is what she's going to look like right after that second dyeing process. Then I added some RIT dye, more synthetic and chocolate brown, just a little bit to what was already in there, which would have been the rose quartz and then the charcoal gray. I then put her roots sort of in there just to try to get like an ombre situation going on. To finish, I just dyed the roots a little bit and let it sit for 15 minutes, and that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.